talking and trying to get some video here.
You gotta keep them separated. Separated.
Hey! The man you're disrespecting me. Take him out.
You gotta keep them separated.
Hey! Don't pay no mind. We're under 18 and won't be doing any time. Hey! Come out and play. By the time you hear the siren, it's already too late. One goes to the morgue and the other to jail. One guy's wasted and the other's a waste. It goes out the same as 1,000 before. No one's getting smarter, no one's learning to score. The never-ending spree of death and violence and hate is gonna tie your own rope, tie your own rope, tie your own. Hey! Man, you're disrespecting me. Take him out.
Gotta keep them separated.
Hey! Man, you're talking back to me. Take him out.
Gotta keep them separated.
Hey! Don't pay no mind. You're under 18. You won't be doing any time. Hey! Come out and play.
Video.
It goes out the same as 1,000 before. No one's getting smarter, no one's learning to score. The never-ending spree of death and violence and hate. He's gonna tie your own rope, tie your own rope, tie your own. Hey! Man, you're talking back to me. Take him out.
Gotta keep them separated.
Hey! Man, you're disrespecting me. Take him out.
Gotta keep them separated.
Hey! Don't pay no mind. You're under 18. You won't be doing any time. Hey! Come out and play.
Nevertheless, in my dress for the occasion. Summer 32 and here's the situation.
Lift the beam, move your feet, then don't change the station. You're fucking back, cause you're leaving on a permanent vacation.
I'm a disaster.
A microphone master. Put on the tape and rock, you get a blaster.
Stand up at the morning cause the times are resorts. If I sweating all the bitches in the bike and shorts.
Now I'm Dave down south and you see me running late. Cause I'm always making time to make a girlie feel great. And I'm busy deep from way downtown. I'm known to rock a mic like a kid with a crown.
When I'm on top,
Get a ball back, hustle and deals like
Bring it back
Ricky
over
Van
here,
Couldn't.
fuck.